Hey everyone, Jim from Jeeping with Jim here, and I'm back again with another fantastic product from LED Factory Mart. This time, we've got a set of headlights. Let's take a look at them. And what's really cool about these is that they're really bright and they've got a white daytime running light halo that halo is also an amber turn signal. But let's see what's in the box. An Allen wrench and the bolt kit to install. Quick wire tap so that we can connect our wires up for the daytime running light and turn signals. And also enough wires so that you can wire up the daytime running lights and the turn signals to these headlights. So let's get started installing these right now. We're going to take off the grill so we can get to the headlights by removing these push pins. And I'll remove the headlights I have right now, removing these retaining screws, 3 on each side. Disconnect the harness and take your existing headlights out. Now on the LED Factory Mart, they're plug and play. We've also got the yellow and gray wire, which will hook up to the daytime running light and a turn signal. Before we can hook up the daytime running light and the turn signals so that they work on the headlight halo, we need to do a little extra wire. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap into the daytime running light wire and the turn signal wire. Now, on every Jeep, they're different, but I'm going to show you where they're at on mine. And then all we do is connect these up and run the wire to the appropriate lead on the headlight itself. So what we'll do is we'll start on the passenger side. And what we'll do is we'll remove this inner fender liner. And then we'll tap into the daytime running lights back here and the turn signals back here as well. Actually, right here is the turn signal and daytime running light harness. Because I can't tell you which wire is yours, you're going to have to test for it. But on mine, the green and white wire was the turn signal and the brown and white wire is the daytime running light. So I've run a lead already from them so I can connect up my daytime running light and turn signals. Now the turn signal lead will have to be connected on both sides. However, the daytime running light, you can connect it up one time on this side and then run the lead to the other side. So before I plug in the harness to my headlight, I'm going to wire in my daytime running light lead, which is this one, to the gray wire, which is the daytime running light headlight halo, and then I'm going to run my turn signal lead that I tapped to the yellow wire here for my turn signals. And with our daytime running light connected and our turn signal lead connected, we'll go ahead and connect up the headlight harness and mount the headlight. And we'll test our new headlights. Look at those daytime running light halos. They're freaking beautiful. Very bright, very eye-catching. Another great job by LED Factory Mart. These headlights are incredible with their daytime running light halos and the turn signal halos. You can't miss them. If you're looking for halo headlights with turn signals built into them, this is the way to go.